If we're looking to then import a part or a 3D model that we've already created into our drawing sheet, it's very easy. We have these two here, really kind of standard 3D views and our model views to help us do that. We can also do some of these views here as well, but ideally we should be able to pull everything from this standard 3 views. Now, this is where, whether you've sketched on, started sketching on the front plane or started sketching on the back plane or anything like that, becomes important. So you can see there, what it's done is it's pulled in an orthographic projection from it. We've got a plan view here, we've got a front view and a side view. And if we had been a bit more correct, this would have been fine for us. We could have used these 3 just straight from that. Now, ideally, I prefer this to be rotated the other way, and again with this one here. So it's not completely ideal, but it kind of shows you the benefits of needing to set up your drawing, correctly from the start. If you like, you can actually, a very quick way to do it, you can right click on this part and we can open the part in position. So this will bring us back into the 3D model. And we can just see how everything was set up. So it's taken it from these views. Now our front view was set up like that. So I should have sketched it and extruded it the other direction. That's our plan view, our top view, and then our particular side view is going to be one of these. Now which side view it takes into our other part, it seems to be taking that right hand view. So it really is important what way you set up these views. Now I'll show you how we can get around this. But even as well, if I go to our isometric, we're getting that kind of view there, and sometimes maybe you want that because you want to see that shell in there, but really the orientation for the piece should be somewhere along. If I set up the cube, it should be something like that there. Okay, so we go back into our drawing and we'll flick back into it. You can see, well, that's the way to get the 3 standard views, so ideally they'd be just popped in for you. Also, these views are all linked together. They're all linked to the front view. So if I try and move this around, you'll see I can only go up and down because it's linked to follow this position. So them 3 are all linked from it because these are actually projected views from that that we can produce. Again, we can pick that up in different videos. So just to show you a couple of more things from views, what I'll do is I'll delete some of these. I'll take them out. So just to show you, I can take a projected view from this here. I can pull it out. I can pull it out any side of it, and I'll get different views. That's just again coming from that kind of cubed view that we've seen that we can set up in the 3D part. So I can take any of those projections from, if I take back into this part, from that cube, so you can pull off in any direction from them cubes and take a view from that. Just find my other drawing, there we are. And then if you just want to get a standalone view, you can get a model view. You can take that, you just go next, and you can pick any of the views that you so wish. The only thing is you don't really get a preview of them when you bring them in. But that's a standalone view that you can take. So that's kind of the difference between these 3 here. And then very quickly, the auxiliary view just takes a reference edge and sets up a view from that. So if I just tuck that edge there, I can go auxiliary view, and it says if you are looking in from that side, whichever side it is, and that's the view you get. So you can take some of them. Again, auxiliary view, just selecting any kind of reference edge, and you can take it from that there.